Hello, Grinch. I am Flo. We want to make you happy with our abilities. We have very funny abilities. For instance, I can fly. I can fly into your nose. I can fly into your ears. I can fly into your mouth. Grinch, what did you eat? Goodbye. Now my friends are coming.
Goodbye.
Come on.
The courageous one to go next.
Hi.
No, you go now.
There is a lot of presents under the Christmas tree. The children wave Santa Claus. Oh yeah.
And be careful, because if you don't smile, I take all my balls and I started to throw everywhere. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, you want my balls? Yeah, my balls. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. All the tree.
Hello, Christmas tree.
Yeah.
I have big present for you.
For you. Darling,
Hello. I'm Minnie Miney Mo. I'm a special horse because I can sit on a chair. I can hop. I can skip. And I can turn around. Can you do that?
Yes.
Yes? So the Grinch is going to hop, to skip, to turn around, and smile for Christmas.
Hello, Grinch. I'm a delicious hamburger. But I'm so sad. In Whoville, everybody eats very, very healthy food. And anyone wants to eat me. Do you want to eat the hamburger? Yes. It's very delicious. So, Grinch, come on, eat me. I'm going directly to your belly. I make really fat you. Direct.
Hello, I am a Mocha Choco, and I have a lot of chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Yes. Do you eat me? No. Bye.
hello, Grace. We are the flowers of the forest, and we've got an idea. How about you find another beautiful Grinch and fall in love? Then your heart will beat like this. And if you're in love, you're going to love everything. And Christmas. And presents. Super. Think about it.
Okay, in my cave there is Santa. What is Santa? Santa.
Gloria, imaš.
Grinch, let's go to the park and play, but we should walk the penguin style. Come on. Let's go to the park together.
Let's go!
Spazio ha bisogno di una produzione di una